In many remote villages, there is a shortage of electricity, due to which many students and children cannot study at night. Also, installing individual solar panels or inverters in every single house will be financially tough. So, we have come up with this energy sustainable collaborative classrooms.
This model has two solar modules on the top which will collect solar energy from the sun throughout the whole day, and these will be stored in these two batteries which will be placed in these rooms. Now for proper ventilation we have installed one fan which will help keep the room cool, and for the lighting we have placed two types of bulbs. First, one tube light of 20 watts that will be enough to light up the whole room, and another will be an inverter bulb that will store electricity when it is on. This inverter bulb, when the current goes off, this inverter bulb will give the light which will help them in continuous studying. Also, this thing will help the students to this thing will be useful to study, because when many minds come together, solution becomes easier. So when all the students will come and study together, they will be able to address each other's problem, which the study will make easy. And as all age groups of students will be there, the tuition teachers won't be required, which will decrease the financial burden on them. So this model works in this way and can be installed in every village, which will be easy for all the students to keep studying.